Alrighty, welcome back. It was this past May that a Murray County woman died in a tornado there. Now the city of Columbia working to install a new emergency alarm system to hopefully prevent a tragedy like this from happening again. The May 8th EF3 twister left 12 people hurt and 105 homes damaged. A disaster declaration has been brought in for resources for residents, but Columbia Mayor Chaz Mulder says a citywide warning system is needed. The city has now applied for $420,000 in grant money to install 10 sirens across the high-density areas.
This really was the catalyst to say, okay, look, it is time to make sure that we have better preparedness in our community, just to make sure we have our entire city covered so that when we have an imminent threat that is forthcoming, we can have an alert system so that our citizens will know to take cover and to hopefully save lives in the process.
So the Columbia City Council approved this application for the grant. It still requires final approval from the state. Of course, we'll let you know when and if that happens.